Hi, Kenny Baker here. I wanted to take a moment and talk to you about renovation swimming pool financing. On this website there's a lot of information on the basics of it, but I want to talk to you a little bit in more detail about a couple of things. So I get calls all the time from clients that say, you know, we've been wanting to add a swimming pool to our home, or we're in the process of buying a home and it doesn't have a pool but we'd really like one. You know, is there what kind of options do you have available? Because we went and talked to our local bank or credit union and they weren't able to help us. So I want to talk to you a little bit about that. So what happens is that, you know, your local banks and credit unions, most all of them, now there may be a couple of exceptions, but most all of them, they only provide certain types of financing to accommodate adding a swimming pool. They can do a home equity line of credit, a home equity loan, and then you'll also find some of the banks that will do consumer loans, similar to like a car loan or just a normal kind of a bank loan where they don't attach a lien to the property. Now, when you go in and you talk to these bankers, more often than not, here's what you'll hear. Well, we can loan you up to 80 to 85% of the current appraised value of your home. Now, you know, if you've got a lot of equity in your house, then, you know, that works out fine. But, you know, what you have to understand is that if you do a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, you're really talking about two mortgage loans. The existing first lien mortgage plus this new home equity loan or home equity line of credit. So you've got that two separate loan situations, and for some people that works great, but for the vast majority of consumers, you know, they're wanting to have one loan where they include the cost of that loan and then be able to stretch that cost out over a long period of term with a low interest rate. So that's exactly what we do. We do a brand new loan. We take your existing mortgage loan, we refinance it into a low rate, we add the cost of the swimming pool to that loan, and then we also include the closing costs and the prepaid. So for all intrinsic purposes, you have one loan, no out-of-pocket expenses, and these loans are Fannie Mae conventional type interest rate. So you get the low interest rate, you get the 30-year fixed. Of course, you know, you can always do it 10, 15, 20 years if that's, you know, more in alignment with what your long-term financial goals are. But this is a great product that really meets the needs of most consumers that want to add that swimming pool. So I just thought I'd take a minute and give you a little information. If I can help you, just give me a call. I can be reached directly at 239-288-1595. Hey, thanks for taking your time visiting my website, and if I can help you, don't hesitate. Have a great day.